This is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. Also follow the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So now, if you take a look at this GBP JPY, you can see that market is currently at a support level, right? And we are having a rejection at this zone, right? Right? Market is giving us a rejection at this zone. So we will be expecting market to actually push up from this zone that we are currently at. So we'll be expecting the push up till it is able to hit a level of it is able to hit a level of 213. That is exactly what we'll be expecting, right? Now, if you take a look at this on your forward time frame, you see that there's a multiple rejection at this one here, right here, right? So market was able to push up, right? Push up, then drop to tag the support level, right? The market then push up again, tag, and then drop to tap our support level. Market was able to push up again and then drop to tap our support level. Market was able to push up again from this massive high. Then this is a pullback that came to tap our support level. Market then was able to push up again and then drop to tap at this our support level. Now we are now seeing a series of rejection at this zone, meaning markets will continue to push up. It is able to tap this level here, which is our resistance level here. So that means we will be seeing a bullish move to a level of 213. So currently we are trading at 211. We should be expecting GBPJPY to push up further. It is able to tap a level of 213, right? So a bullish move is what we'll be expecting for the day. If there be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on any single update, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.